Hi there. In this video we will be installing this wall support. It's a well TLS80 from 32 inches to 80 inches and weight maximum 45 kilograms. And it's also tiltable. I really wanted a tiltable one. Embedded level, great. And as you can see, for the vast amounts, anything goes. And it will be used on this Samsung. It's that's the exact model, if you can see it there. So let's get to it. Open up this box, install part of the support on the TV and the rest of it on the wall. But I need something to cut this tape in here. Okay, opened up the box. This is what attaches to the TV itself. If I could, bless you, if I could actually get it out. Okay, yes, lots of holes. I think we can deal with this. So somewhere. And I think this allows us to attach it easily without any bottom screws when it's locking in place on the rail, which is awesome. Okay, now let me attach it to this TV. We are not going to use this on the wall. We are going to use something a bit more substantial. Yeah, this has fallen out, all of them from this bag, doesn't really matter. And with these things I'm actually connecting into the TV. As you can see, really deep holes. Ooh, and the screws are bigger than this. I think maybe not, but I think they are bigger, so I might have an issue. I might need some new screws. Okay, luckily I'm a bit of a screw hoarder, so I have a few variants. This is what they provided with the support, not thick enough, obviously. I think this is an M6 and this is M8 or something like that. I don't think it's bigger than M8. Anyway, so this goes back in the bag for future hoarding, and this is the perfect length. This one I had a few of them but are too short. These are too long. I could use this as spacers, but I don't want to. I'm going to cut this at the length of this one, because I have an angle grinder and I'm not afraid to use it. So let's do that and then continue. The deed has been done. We have proper screws, so let's screw this in place. I'm not even going to use washers, as these have a huge head on them, so it's perfect for this job. And they are tightened in place, and I ended up using some washers as spacers. I'm not happy about it, but I cut them a bit too long and I just didn't want to go and grind them and whatnot. Tighten them up with this because I needed something huge for the huge head of this, but I hold it with the hand from this, so I didn't have leverage because I don't want to destroy a TV by over tightening these screws. So they are tight enough, nothing's moving anywhere. Let's go and attach the part of this that goes on the wall next. Okay, so we are putting the TV on this kind of fake stone wall. It's only a cover on top of the wall. These are the provided fixtures. As you can see here, I'm also using them as spacer because we have something like this. These are not all of them at the same level. So 4 of them are the original ones. As you can see, we are perfectly level here. And this one, it's a 12mm one, thicker, right in the middle. It helps a bit to make sure that everything stays in place. And yes, if you are thinking why I'm not just putting the TV on the TV stand or whatever this thing is called, 2 daughters kept pulling on the old TV. This one is even taller and heavier. I don't want it on the floor. I've seen much too many online fails with children and pets to know that I don't want such a thing. And if you are thinking, why didn't I drill that hole right there? That wires go down and I'm not sure exactly where they go down. So I want it to be away from that corner. And yeah, let me tighten everything up. This is fully tightened now. TV is ready. Plug everything in and then hang it onto the wall and hope for the best. So I need to tighten some screws. Hopefully you can see them. Right, camera focus please in that area. It's not going to focus, is it? Doesn't really care what I do. Right, those. Maybe you could see them for a moment. Those screws, tighten them on this side and on the other side to make this a little bit stiffer so it locks into a position where I want it to lock. Okay, so we've been using this stand with this particular TV for a few days. It's been perfect, so zero issues whatsoever. I recommend you get it. I don't think you will encounter any problems. And yeah, that's about it. Sturdy. I would have wished for more types of screws in the package, but worst case scenario, you go and buy some. So that's about it. It's not 100% sure that any stand that you get will, or wall mount, I keep saying stand, wall mount that you get will have your particular screws that you need. So that's a bit of a risk, but for me, I made it work. It's exactly what I need, and yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye.